Hello, today I am opening the Ztiz nail polish calendar I bought from Dollarstore today, actually. I wanted to, I just like to use their like cheap nail polish, and there's lots of fun colors, and it was kind of cheap. It was like 160 Swedish crowns, and if it's 24 nail polish, that's like really, it's a good price. It's my dog in the background as usual. Okay, so I just want to, okay, I'll start right now. For those who doesn't know, 160 crowns is like $15. Okay, so it's not bad. Okay, I don't know if it's nail polish in everyone. It seems like it. It's from it's packaged in Sweden, so it says it's nail polish. Okay. Okay, let's see. Number 1. I hope it's lots of funny colors. Ooh, it's I need something to get to. Okay, now I got my scissors. Okay, it's glittery and like ham pink. Okay, color 39. I like it. I like the glitter nail polish, as you can guess. Number 2. It's pale pink, more ham colors. I'm vegetarian. Ham is not for me, but I like this one. I like pale pink. Come on, it's a joke I heard. It's number 84. Color number 84. Number 3. Ooh, I think I have this one. This is one of my favorites. It's fuchsia. We call it in Sweden. It's number 38. Very glittery. I really like it. Look. 4. Ooh, it's a white. It's a white one. Color number 2. Number 2. Great. I don't have a white one. 4, 5. Ooh, I have not seen this one before, actually. Like an orange kind. 157, I want to say. It's number 157. It's nice. I don't have it seen. It's 5 and 6. Number 6. Oh, it's like space blue color. Look. It's really nice. It's a really nice color. It won't say which number it is, but okay, doesn't matter really. It's a really nice blue, spacey kind of color. I like it. 6, 7. Ooh, it's black. It's color number 1. The white was number 2. It's color number 1. It's black. I don't have a black one. 7, 8. Ooh, I can't say cute, so I say ooh. Okay, I can't say cute if I want to. Okay. Color number 29. It's nice, almost neon kind of pink, like 90s Barbie pink. I like it. It's a classic for me. Okay. 8, 9. It's a dark red, like a vampire kind of blood red, almost like number 23. It's a great classic color. I believe I had that one, but it's a great color. 9, 10. Oh, it's glittery dark red, number 110. It's a really nice Christmassy red, glittery red. It was like 11. it's like it's a what's it called, well, pink of course, but it's number 107. It's like a pale, more like pastel, shiny pearl shiny pink. It's very nice. And then 12. Okay, number 12. Wow, this one. It's like a white and pink glitter. I have not seen this one before. Transparent with pink and white glitter. It's color 159. I haven't seen that one before. It was cute. I don't know where to use, but I can use it anyway in a day, of course. 12, 13. It's a dark blue one. I think I already have this one. It's number 57. It's a really nice dark blue. It's very simple dark blue. It's really nice actually. You can have this one and have like a like glitter on top. I like it. Okay. 13, 15. Another. It looks very much like the other one. No, it's not the same. It's very much. They are very much alike actually. This one is more like this. It's lighter. 87. It's very nice. Okay. 15. 16. 16. Ooh. Gold glitter. It's really great on like this one together, or that one. It's good with almost anything, you know. It's really great, and mine is it's just, you know, I let it open so it's really bright. Really nice. It was 16, 17. Ooh. This one is like, it's like a gold orange almost, like it's a real nice gold color. 128. And then 18. Another, I think I have this one. It's number 11. It's one I will use. I use like these quite a lot, like the classic pink, childish pink, almost like. I used quite a lot, so it doesn't matter if I have one already. Number 11, really nice, light pink. 19. Oh, it's it's a see-through, like an overcoat see-through. It's great. Number 3. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 19 and 20. There's 20. Another light pink. I think I have this one too, and maybe, I don't know. It's very. They're kind of similar, kind of some of them. Number 9, light pink, really nice. 20, 21 here somewhere. Okay. Ooh. Well, I really like this one. It's a purple glittery, number 37. Oh, I really like this one. Look, I prefer these, like these glitter with color, with like smaller glitter. These are like bigger, and they're like transparent with bigger glitter. These are like colored with small glitter. It's my favorite. This one I will use, of course. I love purple. I didn't always, but I do now. Maybe it's an age thing. I know many like middle-aged women, they like red and purple. Well, I'm getting there now. So number 37. Okay, number 22. It's a bright red, very classic. I like it. I need this one. Mine was. I haven't had one for a while. Number 21. It's really nice. Okay. And number 22. This is 23. Ooh, it's like a, it's a silvery. It's like very small glitter, silver, number 124. I love it. I like it a lot. It's great. I wonder if 24 is a special one. No, I don't think so. But this is the last one, I guess. Wait, did I miss? I missed 14. Oh my god. Oh, the 14 was. It's 14. I'm sorry. It's a green one. It's clear green one. It's green one. And number 16, green one. Did I miss anything? No. Okay. And then number 24. Wow, it's a red glittery one. That's very Christmassy. It's a red glittery one. I like it. Number 158. Okay. It was actually kind of a fun calendar. So I do recommend it if you like cheap makeup. Cheap kind of nail polish you use more just for fun like I do. It was fun. I'll show you a bit closer. It's in the middle of the night actually right now. I couldn't sleep, so. And you know, this is like lots of nail polish. Really it is. For 160 crowns. It's like, it's a lot. It really is. Oh, I'm sorry. I have a bit of a mess in the background. I'm sorry. I'm sorting out my doll collection. So, and I'm sorry about the share wheels of clothes. It's a bit messy. Now I have a lot of like cheap, fun nail polish. I really should have covered that share in the background. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. It was actually a fun. It was a really fun, advent calendar. I think it was really fun. It was really worth the 160 I paid for it. So I like this. It will keep my nails glittery for a year at least. Okay. So. Okay, that was the dollar store nail polish calendar from Ztiz. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.